Hello guys, this is okay. So this is me who just left the house this morning by 6 a.m. Guys, this is 7:46 and I'm still on my way to work. Guess what? Just on the way, this beautiful rain came and spoiled everything for us. Well, it didn't spoil anything. It blessed us. It blessed the day with its beautiful nature. So that is what the state gives you whenever it rains. Everything gets to a pause, you know. But you know what? I'm kind of enjoying it. I enjoy the rain, walking down. No car to get me to the office, but I like it. I like it. Hi guys, keep you updated. Still walking down to the office. Hey beautiful people. This is the beautiful me that left work by 6 a.m. this morning. Oh God. Who say nature is not beautiful? Who say nature is not encouraging? See nature. See the beautiful thing that God has created. Hey. So see you guys later. Peace out. So guys, I'm very close to my office right now. Still walking down though. But you know, I'm kind of enjoying every part of it. God has a way of creating things, you know. It's a beautiful way of appreciating God. See this beautiful rain this morning. We actually woke up with a very clear weather. The weather was beautiful and very clear. You could see the first picture I took. The weather was beautiful. So I didn't think there was need to leave the house with an umbrella. My bad though. I should have known that it's the rainy season. But, well, damn, this is rain. And well, I'm enjoying it. So, I'm approaching the office, getting close to the office. Okay. Oh, this is life in Rivers State, Nigeria. Now, if you can cope in this country, if you can cope here, you can cope anywhere. I bet you will cope anywhere. If you're in Nigeria, you can understand me. You know what I'm saying. If you can cope here in this country, you cope anywhere. Trust me. Isimo amaradini isimo bochukwu nandima ikedina rumo bochukwu. Okay, this is the wall of my office. This is the school wall. That is to say, I'm approaching the school gate. Wow. So we made it to work this morning, guys. Morning, sir. Made it to work this morning. And this is me entering the school gates, guys. Morning, everybody. Yes, I am. Okay, so this is me clocking in. Clocking is not working. Okay. Try again. Wow, that's so sorry. Thank you. Okay, so guys, this is me going up to my office. Morning, Mr. Dennis. Morning, Mr. Sambai. Morning, Mr. Ephraim. Morning, Miss Sarah. Wow. So we made it, guys. We made it to work. Morning, Mr. Innocent. I'm not going to say sir this morning so that you don't hold me to my words. Morning, Ms. Wakacha. God blessed us with rain this morning. Oh, guys. I'm so excited to be here again this morning. So, guys, This is me opening the door to my office. And ta-na-na, we're in the office. So, this is my office, guys. Ready to start the day. A beautiful day. Thank God we made it. So I'll keep you posted, guys. Let me get myself ready for work. Peace out. Peace in. So guys, yeah, I'm ready for today's work. So wish me well. I forgot to tell you, guys, today is actually open day. Yeah. So as a school counselor, I will be getting a lot of feedbacks from parents, both good and bad. And on days like this, I love to start my day on a very happy and peaceful note. Because yes, sometimes it's not always, it gets very awful comments, it gets very awful feedbacks. But you know what? I like these feedbacks when they come, because it really tells us, helps us to check and balance ourselves. It helps us to know whether we're doing well or not. And yes, my parents are the best. They are very wonderful people. They are very wonderful people. So I look all out, so excited. So today is going to be a very promising day for me, guys. So I embrace today with all the excitement, all the peace, and all the happiness I can get. Right? And I know that today I am going to get positive comments about our school. May today bring you peace, a lot of blessings, achievements, all that you ought to achieve today. May you get it. Right, guys? So this is me in the hall, ready for the open day, and it has just started. This is Mr. Clapp, my amiable and lovely principal. That's him over there, trying to get his staff ready for the day. This is my colleagues all seated and ready to receive our parents. And this is my amiable Mr. Vincent, our honorable male counselor, doing his thing. And yes, this is me, peace in, peace out, ready to get my feedback today, and I hope and pray that it's going to be a positive feedback. Say hi to me. Say peace in, and peace out. So before I go, I'll say that Julie loves you and I care for you. So do well to always keep your mental health in check. So guys, love you.